Day 3 of my bike trip in Albania. I am in Lac, or Lac, L-A-C. And that was not according to the plan. Because last night I was in Krujë, and in the night it started raining like crazy, and thunder and lightning. And my original route would be northeast, but the route will be all unpaved again and a lot of climbing. So today the weather forecast said it's gonna rain again. So I expect a lot of trouble on the road, muddy, water and more rain. I decided that I did not want to take the risk because I would take the risk to arrive very late tonight in the hotel, and I don't want that, like late in the evening. So I took an easy route. It's much easier here because this is west, northwest. And closer to the coast, as you can hear. But it's less mountainous, it's less beautiful. There are more villages, a lot of cars, it's busy on the road. At the beginning it was quite nice, close to Krujë. It was hilly, it was green, but now it's nothing special. But okay, that's the experience. So I'm cycling to the Ulza lake, which is a very nice lake from what I saw on the internet. There we're gonna have a break and I will continue, or actually drive back to Sjoerd. Sjoerd is the name. That's where I have my hotel. Hey mate, that's where I have my hotel. That's where I stay. I need to check the road now, where I'm going. I'm heading to Ulza Lake, but the weather is getting worse and worse, cloudier. It's very windy, so I don't know if I keep it dry. I just left Lac, and just outside the village is this enormous place, which is completely abandoned and ruined. It looks like it's an old fabric or an old village. For example, this place here in front of me, behind me, it's like only the foundations are still there and the rooftop, and it's full with hay. It's like where they stuck the hay to keep it dry. And there is much more on that side. I need to go that way, so let's see if we can see a little bit more. You see all those tall towers? It seems like there's nothing, and there's nothing. Here we can't see much. But there are a lot of abandoned buildings there. All over there, I don't know what it is. Looks like a little community, a village. Here, for example. It's all ruined and completely abandoned. There's nothing. Some stray dogs. And then there is this hay. Otherwise, it's only this. He could give a good squat party. Nobody would care, I suppose. So now we really left Lach on my way to the Ulza lake. I cycled to the Ulza lake all the way from Verskepet, like a 1 hour ride. And now I'm on my way back because there's my hotel. But wow, absolutely incredibly beautiful here again. And oh wait, here. Do you see those rocks? Here, actually one of those rocks. So on my way to the lake, there were little birds attacking me. I think this rock is their breeding area. So they flew down really close to my head, like whoosh, whoosh, like 3 times the same bird. It was somewhere here, the next rock. Let's see if he's gonna do it again, if he recognizes me. There was also a stray dog that wanted to attack me, but then he saw it was me, and I think that's why he ran away. So, no danger. But here, the next rock, there was danger, and the danger was me. For them. But I'm just an innocent man. I wouldn't do anything to their birds or their eggs or whatever. So it's from here. This is where it happened. But it looks quiet now. I think they leave me alone this time. They know that I'm an innocent man. Oh fuck. There he is again. Okay, it was here. Ah, they leave me alone this time. Okay. Wow. From here on, you should see the views. Absolutely dazzling views, because the road is moving along the river, and the river is in the valley, and then the high green mountains. So you see the valley and the high, enormous mountains behind on the background. Then there is the hilly road, which goes all the time up and down and from left to the right. And there are little houses. And here, the river again. In the valley between the high mountains. Absolutely beautiful. We're going uphill again for a little bit. But every time it goes down again very quickly as well. I need 1 hour to go back to the hotel. One hour of this route. It starts raining now. It's a bit cloudy and rainy, but that's okay because it's been very hot today. But this is the best part of the day. As I said, the beginning was not that impressive because it was more urban, villages, a lot of cars. But this is what I've been looking for the whole day. So this was worth the trip, all the way to the lake and back. Back and forth is 2 hours, a bit more than 2 hours. Also, we see some old bridges here, like very old, some are in very bad condition. But these giant mountains are impressive. I'll make one last stop here. Have a look at the green turquoise water. All the way to, well, probably the sea. Between those giant mountains. And there is traffic here, but not too much. It's very nice to cycle here. Absolutely worth the detour I made. Okay, tomorrow my last day, my last bike trip. I'm cycling back to the airport and then Tirana.